He's a good boy, huh? He's a good boy. Hannah, will you pick up your pictures? Pick up your picture, baby. Baby Hannah. What are you doing? Oh, can I have that? And your pictures. Can Mommy have your pictures on the ground right there? You see it? Right there. Can Mommy have it? Pick it up. Pick it up. Get it. Get your pictures. Pick them up, baby, right there. Pick it up. The paper. Pick it up. Give it to Mommy. Oh, good girl. Yeah, give it to Mommy. Give it to Mommy. Thank you. Okay, go with Phoebe. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, Hannah, push him. Yeah, what's he doing? Yeah. You're okay. He's not hurting you. Yes, baby. Push, right here. Push Phoebe right here. Right here. Come here. Push Phoebe right here. Push, push, push right here. Put your hands on there. Hands on here. Let's go. Oh, it's gone. Where did he go? Where did he go? What are you doing, Goofy? You chasing Phoebe? Yeah? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Hannah, bye-bye. No, you're busy.